Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LAHO. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Did this analysis on Friday and want to just keep things updated here. As overall, the chart is still perfectly healthy. Now, I do realize there's a little bit of context, and perspective that goes into that. So it makes it a little trickier to talk about from a presentation standpoint. I mean, if you're some sort of scalper, day trader, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought up there at 0009, and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, because the price did pull back, I can see saying, well, this chart is not bullish. Well, yeah, from that angle, I would understand that. But I am making these comments based off, the grand scheme of things. So sure, the price did pull back from the highs of 0009, but as far as, where it stands, in regards to all these other days, in fact, actually, I would argue that the price actually built a higher base. So not argue, I would point out, because that's not like that's an opinion. That's a fact. The price actually only went down as low as 0006 today, whereas on previous days, the price had actually gone down to 0005. So in the very, very near term, you can see you have some stair steps progressing in the upward direction. Now, also don't get me wrong, and don't take this to the other extreme. Just because that's happening doesn't mean that for sure this thing's, going up to, 2 cents later this week. I'm just pointing out that, for people that are, thinking that everything's, bearish and the end of the world, well, you got to kind of just, keep in mind everybody's got a little bit of different of a perspective. And those flippers that were buying up there at 0009, yeah, they're probably pretty frustrated. But overall, everything is perfectly healthy from the big picture. And as I've talked about in past videos, and just quickly want to reiterate here, the prices bounced beautifully off of that purple line there, again, after doing so down here. And that line is the famous 50-day simple moving average. So from the overarching point of view, as long as the price continues to remain up above that purple line, then yeah, the bulls are in full control, from the big picture point of view. Resistance-wise, still nothing new to report there. It's all about that 001 mark. But like I said, the price did actually put in a higher high here, got up and did some battle with 0009. So they're building the higher bases and higher lows. So who knows, maybe at some point this week, the price can give 001 another run for its money. We'll see what happens. But again, big picture wise, the price continues to work its way upwards, and that's what you want to see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.